Welcome aboard for a railway experience like no other. Running on the railway, I have something rather special for you. Often requested, here is the Model Railways Unlimited Brake Van Special, with no less than 22 brake vans being top and tailed by the Daypole Manor class and the KR Models foul locomotive. While each of these locomotives could handle the train solo, we're about to witness the power of teamwork in action. This is nearly all my brake vans in one train. Within the train you will notice a number of the old Triang Hornby standard BR vans, but there is also an Oxford Rail 6-wheel brake van, as well as a Rapido 6-wheel brake van. Lots of different brake vans from different eras and manufacturers. See how many types you can spot as the train runs around. Look out for the old Hornby LMS van with its original lights still working, and there are even rail freight vans and many more. Remember to like and subscribe if you've not already done so, your support is really important. Now on to our autumn update. Now that you've seen this incredible brake van convoy, let's talk about what's in store for Model Railways Unlimited this autumn and into the winter and following year. Firstly, coming up after this video, we will have one more traditional steam loco video, but with a twist, as I merge real and model within the video. I've done it before with sound, but never much with video, and certainly not video I've shot myself, so let's see how that turns out. After that, I'm embarking on a new project close to my heart, with another series featuring the models of one iconic manufacturer. It's going to be a departure from my recent videos, but maybe that's a good thing. I hope my existing viewers will stick with me, and I hope to pick up some more subscribers along the way. We're really working hard on the channel and have been a little perplexed by the lack of progress. We appreciate your loyal support with over 4,800 subscribers, but we're eager to keep growing. I work hard to bring you quality, unique films. Each main video passes through rigorous quality control to make sure it's well lit, well filmed, as well as being accurate in detail and clearly narrated. The last 12 videos have averaged out at just 750 views per video, so I'm going to have to make extra special effort to improve for you. It's important that we look to grow the channel within the boundaries we've already set. So to that end, if you're able to share our videos within your social networks, we'd be delighted. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you'd like to collaborate with us or have exciting ideas, then don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear from you. You can do it in the comments of any of the videos, or if you go to the About section on the YouTube page, you'll find our email address. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for joining us on this epic brake van journey, and stay tuned for the incredible railway adventures ahead.